like your products are not getting the attention they deserve? Join me as we explore the impact of visual merchandising on consumer behavior and how it can be the game changer for your brand. Ready to make your storefront an irresistible heaven for shoppers? Visual merchandising is an important element of retail marketing and plays a significant role in influencing consumer behavior. Visual merchandising involves the strategic placement, design, and display of products to attract customers and encourage them to purchase. It has been shown to increase sales, enhance customer engagement, build brand awareness, create positive store experiences, and influence buying decisions. Studies have found that visual elements such as product displays, window displays, and signage can increase the perceived value of products by up to 20%. In addition, research suggests that certain types of visuals, example color, can subconsciously affect how consumer perceive prices. For example, blue is often associated with lower price points, while red many indicate higher ones. Visuals also play an important role in creating a sense of urgency or scarcity, which can lead to increased impulse purchases as well as greater loyalty among existing customers. Furthermore, attractive visuals are known to evoke emotions like joy or excitement, which can motivate shoppers into making more purchases or returning more frequently. Overall, it is clear that effective visual merchandising has a powerful impact on consumer behavior. So let's learn in 7 important points how it has powerful impact on consumer behavior. First is enhances the shopping experience. Second is stimulates impulse buying. Three, creates urgency. Fourth is increases brand awareness. Five is improved brand recognition. Sixth is enhanced shopping experience. Seventh is increased sales revenue. First is enhance the shopping experience. Visual merchandising can help create an atmosphere that is inviting and fun, helping to make shopping a more enjoyable experience for customers. This can drive customer loyalty and repeat purchases as shoppers come back for the positive experiences they have had in your store. Second is stimulates impulse buying. Attractive visual displays are designed to draw attention to products, often encouraging impulse buying behavior among consumers who may not have originally intended or purchasing those items. Visual merchandising can influence shoppers to make spontaneous impulse purchases that may not have made otherwise. By creating attractive displays and grouping items together in a way that encourage consumers to buy more than one item at once, visual merchandisers can increase the likelihood of impulsive buying behavior. Third is create urgency. Visual merchandising also helps create a sense of urgency by making consumers feel like they need to act quickly if they want to take advantage of special offers or clearance prices before it's too late. Fourth is increases brand awareness. By creating visually appealing displays that reflect your brand's identity, you can increase awareness of your business and its offering while driving sales at the same time. Fifth is improved brand recognition. Visual merchandising also plays an important role in helping customers recognize and remember brands better. Through cleverly designed displays, signage, and other elements of design, customers are able to quickly identify certain products with particular companies and brands, which helps build customer loyalty over time. Sixth is enhanced shopping experience. Customers respond positively when stores have visually pleasing interiors and organized product display areas, that it makes the shopping experience more enjoyable for them overall. This leads to increased footfall due to word of mouth promotion by satisfied customers who feel comfortable browsing through a store's merchandise selection without feeling overwhelmed by too much clutter or disorganization in the store layout itself. Seventh is increased sales revenue. When done correctly, visual merchandising has been proven to lead directly to increase in sales revenue, since it is an effective tool for driving customer engagement with products displayed throughout the store environment itself instead of just relying on traditional advertising methods such as television, commercials, or print ads alone, which don't always work as well anymore these days due to consumer fatigue over being exposed too often to those kinds of messages already out there today.